It's a constant battle relocating things. Bub, you should go get the damn shop vac and get it over here and ready to suck all this nasty out of here. We have made one hell of a mess. Better put my screw before he sucks them up in the shop vac. Hey, look at there, we got some wind lace in. We've got all our new glass in except the quarter glasses, our new window fuzzies, all the new window channels. I've got to put the new window fuzzies on the inside of the window garnishments. I've got to drill some holes and pinch the staples and whatnot. But we're trying to get it fixed so I can put my carpet in here, and it'll be wonderful. I'm tired, and it's hot, and it's just beating the hell out of me because damn, it's hot out here. Humid, horrendous. We'll get our other our other wind lace in just a minute on the other side, but we're gonna throw some carpet in this thing. I've got to cut a hole right there to make sure our shifter goes through, okie dokie. Finish our kill mat. I'm gonna cut, I built a custom shifter because that's out of a Mazda Protege. That's what I had laying around the yard, you know, that day when I needed me a shifter. But it's got a 4L60 in it. It's not the right shifter, and it only lets me have park, reverse, neutral, and drive. I can't pull it all the way to low. So all the fun stuff you seen old Luckshot do, he just is shifting like magic on the computer. Cool. But I'm gonna trim these up here. We'll lay the carpet back in. I'm gonna punch some holes through it, and I'm gonna build me a plate that sticks in front of the bench seat area so I can put a stud up and hang the shifter back up here over the seat where it's comfortable. And I'm gonna put a factory bench seat back in it. Insert picture of Delray interior here. Anyway, we'll check in with you in just a minute. Hang on. Look at me cutting that brand new carpet. Like I give a shit. My dad was a carpet layer for decades. When I get done building my console, there won't none of that shit show anyway. Look at that. She's getting pretty fast, ain't she? Now vacuum the carpet. think they're going to sit about right. There. It won't be that one in the end. I gotta make me a flat bracket. I might ought to invest in a new blade one of these days. Like that. Now, there will, you see that front hole? There's another one right here. This front hole, just tuck it right in there. Look at that. There will be a flat plate laid across here with those bolt holes in it, and it will run to about here. And I'll have a post sticking up with another flat plate on it that hangs over the seat for my shifter to mount to. And it'll be stable, it'll be tight. I'll make it because no jackass in America makes one of them. I don't know why. I've looked and searched and dug. But we're gonna make one, and when I get done, I may market it. For all you tri-fibers want to run your bench seat, and that's how you fix it. You can set it as far forward or back as your seat slide will allow, and that way you can slide your seat forward if your wife wants to drive it or whatever. That's how we roll. CTR, I'm out. They're getting cleaner all the time. This is about the 4th scrubbing. That boy folds up better than Dad does. I used to when I was young. He's long-legged and tall like me. You just keep a scrubbing, boy. You're doing a fine job. You ain't done yet, but keep a scrubbing. Edges first. All the way around. Get down in the corners and yeah, it hurt, don't it? Yeah, I've done that many times. We got to get the windlace on that side. It cushions the blood.
Turning black.
Hi, old CTR. I've got the masses of working today. Now, there's probably a lot more energy involved right here because this is her card that we're doing. But that's okay. She needs to keep them shiny, bright, new Krager SS's shining clean. They've got ick on them from, well, they got in rainstorm. And she's polishing away. That boy back there, he's a cleaning glass. He's been trying to clean all the new ick off of old Luckshot's new glass. We've been putting her in. I've got 2 quarter glasses, Joe, and he'll have brand new glass in him. This one's got brand new glass all the way around. We've got to clean that stuff up, and he's got to go do the door jams and all that, and clean all the ick off of them, and he's doing a fine job. He's learning how to work. Yeah, well, some of this crap laying around here is going to be his one of these days, so I think it's only fair. He'll be able to take care of it. Ain't that a pretty sight, though? Couple 55 Chevy sitting in the driveway. And yeah, we might have a 3rd one over there and do some more down there. I live a very blessed life. I just get to kind of go build old cars and make movies and YouTube videos. And all of you, you just stay in there and don't get discouraged. It's a lot of work, and it is. And that boy right there can tell you.
Yep.
You got to clean up all them door jams where things has been leaking, and it's got ick on it. And if you look real close, you see all the white shiny, and then you see all the icky, nasty. And go show them what a clean spot looks like, bub. And get you squirt them on there and go to rub it. It's a lot of work to keep these things up.
Look at that black, just
Look at the icky stuff come off of that. It's turning back to shiny. You see the shiny coming back? You see all the black inky stuff that's still up in there? Yeah, he keeps rubbing that out. It's a lot of work, fellers. It's a lot of work for the girls too, if you look. And she's back over there. She's scrubbing on some Krager SS's. But man, let's go show you where she done been. Holy mackerel, look at that beautifulness. Shiny, shiny. Man, beautiful. Let's look at this back, wide. Oh, look at all the glint. You may need sunglasses to look at that mess. Look at that shiny stuff going on. CTR, I'm out.
now tell me what you do.
I'm cleaning the damn glue off the wing vent. When the don't come off. Hey bub, you see this right here? See if you can hit that spot. But I am certain it's in the glass. It ain't your fault. Nope. Just rub it right there. It's in the glass. It's between the layers of lamy glass.
I can see it.
There's another one right there. Just makes you madder than hell, don't it, kids? It's all right. That's what we're gonna live with. I bet I can. My factory tack that's, you know, an auto meter, you know, monster tack with the shift light, I bet I can't even see that from where I sit. It'll be wonderful. I probably won't see it anyway because I'll be looking out the side window to see where I'm at in the track because it's pulling the front tires and stuff. It'll be fine. Hi, kitty. Our crazy ass shop cat. She's nuts, but she catches mice, so she stays. Hey, kitty, kitty.
Kitty, kitty.
Kitty, kitty. Yeah, we love you, even if you are nuts and a stray.